Hey there! Today we're talking about Stripe and Stylish Cost Calculator. Stripe is a tool that helps you take payments online. When we connect it to our calculator, it makes selling things super easy. Using Stripe with our Stylish Cost Calculator is super cool. Here's why. It's a perfect team. Stripe handles payments while our calculator figures out prices. Together, they make selling stuff online really easy. It's all in one place. Your customers can pick what they want, see the price, and pay, all on the same page. No jumping around to different websites. It's smart. Our calculator can handle tricky pricing, like discounts or special deals. Stripe then takes care of the payment part smoothly. It's customizable. You can set up the calculator to match your business exactly. Then Stripe makes sure you get paid the right amount every time. It saves time. You don't have to manually create invoices or do math. The calculator and Stripe do all the hard work for you. Using Stylish Cost Calculator with Stripe is like having a super smart, always-on sales helper. It makes your life easier and helps your customers buy from you without any fuss. Let's say you sell t-shirts. A customer can pick their size, color, and how many they want using the calculator. Then they can pay right there. It's that simple. Now let's turn on Stripe. Go to your calculator and scroll down to Payment Options. Click the box next to Stripe. Then go to Global Settings and find Stripe and PayPal settings. We'll put in some special codes here soon. Go to stripe.com and log in. In your dashboard, click Developers and then API keys. Then make a new private key. Give your key a name. Copy the private key and copy the public key too. Put both keys in the Stylish Cost Calculator settings. Remember, you need to turn on Stripe for each calculator you want to use it with. Just edit your calculator and check the link to Stripe box. That's it. Now you can take payments right from your calculator. It's fast and easy. Want to try it out? Go to stylishcostcalculator.com and click Try the Calculator Builder. You can test all the cool features in the premium version. Have questions? Ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy calculating.